Okie dokie. This is where I am just about to go. They are going to be dealing with my Mark II body. Jerry Smith is the owner, but it's a family-run business. There is Jerry, his wife, and their son Corey. And having spoken to these guys, they seem very professional. Fingers crossed. Okay, we are now on our way to the body shop. I don't know if they're going to allow me to video in the shop. We will find out. It is Santan Auto Body and Restorations, and they have some amazing restorations that they have done. We are about to experience a view of them. As you can see, there's a bit of water around. We had a bit of a rainstorm last night. So, let's get back to the shop. Okay, we are here at the body restoration shop. There are some vehicles out front here that are obviously being worked on. Lots of interesting ones. A Chevy, a MKII, oh, my favourite. Always wanted one of those. Not in that colour, I must admit. Nice Ford 100 there, beautiful. Ah, look, Corvette, I got one of those. That one's newer than mine. Mine's an 88. What else we got here? Nice old truck there. Come on, brain cell, you can do this. Camaro? Sorry guys, I'm not that up on American cars. So what have we got in here? Look at that, isn't that fucking lovely? Yeah, it's a work in progress, like me. Let's have a look in the Mustang here, or the MKII. Love that MKII. Beautiful. Not so keen on the steering wheel, but hey, each to their own. And what have we got here? The Chevy Bel Air. Lovely. What's next to it? I do not recognize that. But then again, oh shit, it's a GTO. How could I not recognize that? Kind of a prick am I. Again, being dealt with. Alright, let's go in and speak to the guys. Oh, look at the water pumps. Gas pumps. Nice. Okay, we are inside the shop. Look at this beauty. Wow. Definitely work in progress. Look at that shit. Wow, that is fucking amazing. I'm there up on the ramp. This is obviously not where they do work. This is just how it is. Okay, I couldn't film inside the shop, but this is another one of their vehicles they're working on. And it looks like this one is used. That's good. I like to see vehicles that are used. Look at that. Obviously not an original interior, but great nonetheless. Yeah, that is somebody that uses their Dodge truck. Love it. So here we go. My baby comes here in a few days' time, and hopefully they'll make it look nice. That's my beat up old Dodge truck over there. A few battle scars on it. I use it. And you can see in the car park there's a few other classics. I am so hopeful for this. I hope I am not disappointed. Oh, let's have a quick look at this one over here. I'm sure you guys aren't in the least bit interested in classic trucks. And what is this? This is a Ranchero. That's nice. Yeah, obviously some work going to be done here. Sorry, you're going to have to put up with my shadow. How about that? Nice, huh? Yeah. Okay. That's the end of this video. I don't know, well, I guess any of you that live in Arizona, Queen Creek area, Phoenix area, this place seems to be very good. Santan Auto Restoration. That's the end, guys.